He has yet another kind of tail. Two wire-like quills, each tipped with a little green disc like a coin. Not so obviously impressive as the ribbon tail, but wait till you see what he does with them. Wing spreads and this extraordinary, scarcely bird-like call are just the beginning of things. Just attention-grabbing ways to let any female around know that he's on his perch and about to display his prowess as an acrobat and a juggler. What could be more attention-grabbing than that? But that's not all. When he's really excited, he's got a final stunt, the pendulum. There it is,